What's going on?
With?
You.
What do you mean what's going on?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just went out food. I'm trying to get ready to eat.
Getting ready to eat?
Yeah.
Alright, you're like freaking out, it looks like.
No, the way I'm driving?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. This car, it's got a centrifugal, this car, it's automatic, but for some reason, I don't know why, sometimes if I hit it, but other than that, I'm good. This happens like, I don't know, maybe twice a week. I just got me done on, what do you call it, Texas Roadhouse. So,
Texas Roadhouse?
yeah.
Okay.
I'm driving a clutch out of red light.